Hey girl, what is up? I'm back. Yes. So I'm back with this gorgeous new hairstyle and I was feeling myself right there because listen, girl, this unit, it's just giving. It's one of the most easiest installs ever, so keep on watching for details. So this video is in collaboration with Westkiss, and they actually have a lot of different budget-friendly options on their website, and I have this brown ready to go 100% glueless unit. Oh my gosh, you need to check those out because they are amazing. And how do I know they are amazing is because I've actually done a collaboration with them in the past, and here you can see me wearing this unit. Ooh, girl, it was just giving. It was glamorous. It was so easy to install, super natural looking. The lace just melt on my skin. So if you're interested in seeing that video, just click the link here on the screen. But today we're going to get into this brown bombshell unit that they sent me. And of course, they sent me a ton of different goodies such as lashes, hair nets, a brush to lay down my edges. Even though I don't really need that right now, it still comes in handy, and a bonnet, a super cute bonnet, and of course the hair. Girl, this hair comes styled like this. This is straight out of the box. Let's get into this hairline real quick because the hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, and it's just the best quality ever. I love Westkiss units. This is straight from the box, and this is a high quality camera, 4K footage. I cannot Photoshop this. It looks amazing, right? Look at the hair. It looks incredibly soft, and I just like removed the net and just played a bit with the hair. The first thing that I noticed is that it's incredibly soft. The color is amazing. Whoever dyed this hair, this brown color, did an incredible job because it was giving. I didn't see any flaws in this unit, right? So yeah, these are the curls. They are super soft, shiny, and bouncy, just how I like them. And I just know that this unit was going to give me an amazing look. And yeah, in the inside, there's a huge parting space, and of course, adjustable band and some extra combs to secure your unit, right? And let's just talk a bit about the convenience factor of this unit, because for this unit, you don't need a messy glue or spray or a complicated installation, whatever, because this lace front wig is like designed for easy of use, making it perfect for beginners and busy ladies like me. It's truly a wear and go wig, 100% glueless, and it allows you to look incredibly fabulous in just minutes. So the only thing that I just did was apply the wig to my head, and that's it. And this is in real time. I didn't really cut too much into those clips. It took me less than 3 minutes to do all of this, right? And I'm just quickly brushing out these curls to add a little bit more volume and to make it a little bit more natural. And the curls just bounce right back. Oh gosh, this is styled beautifully, and I'm already loving how it looks, right? I'm just thinking like, am I done now? Can I go out the door now? And yes, I can. Like, look, girl, it's just, I'm done. What? Come on now. Like, this is high quality footage, and it looks exactly like this. Listen, this unit is just a game changer. I'm loving this. The lace, come on now, girl. It looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. This unit is dyed so amazing. You cannot even see my own hair. My own hair is black, and this unit is brown, and it conceals my own hair. I'm not wearing any bald cap or whatever. I ain't got the time to do all of that. Look, listen, like what? Look at this. I don't know what I can tell you guys. You just need to go ahead and buy this unit because this is probably one of my favorite units right now. Like, anyways, I just love the fact that this wig is 100% glueless and extremely beginner friendly, like you girls just saw. I just took this wig straight out of the box like this, didn't do anything. I didn't style, I didn't even touch a curling iron or a flat iron, whatever. This is straight out of the box, put it on my hand, and now I'm good to go. Like, this is like a salon quality wig. I have salon results at home in 3 minutes. What else do you want more? I know. Like, it's just an amazing unit, and everyone should have this type of unit in their wig collection, right? But also, girl, can we talk a bit about this color as well? This color is so beautiful, and it's like a gorgeous brown hue, and it adds warmth and dimension to this look. So it's actually perfect for any season. So fall, summer, spring, whatever, you name it, any season or occasion, right? So it's definitely like a timeless choice that complements a lot of different skin tones, making this a type of wig that you definitely need in your collection, you know, because the color is so special. It's just something different than just like a black unit, right? Look, oh, I cannot get over this hairline, by the way. I'm so sorry. I keep showing you guys this hairline because it's just incredibly natural looking, and I love it because this unit is so soft. The curls are bouncy. The lace is incredible, well crafted. This unit is just so nicely put together. For the price, this unit is under $300. I don't know, like, that's just extremely affordable because this unit is 22 inches, right? And for like $300, that's a bargain, especially because the quality is so good. And I don't know if you are just as visual as me, but I like to see things, right? And I don't know what I can say more, but then show you guys that this is the real deal. Like, I believe that I convinced you now that this unit is definitely a must-have, whether you're like a newbie or a seasoned wig wearer, like, because with this wig, with this type of wear and go wig, you can take it out of the box, apply it on your hair, and 2 seconds and go out the door and you're done. So I don't know why you're still missing out, but definitely by now you should have clicked on the link in my description box that will direct you to the exact unit that I'm wearing in this video. And yeah, let me know down below what you think of this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.